we've all been talking about ChatGPT for a while now, and I know you must have given it a try, which is very amazing. ChatGPT is an amazing tool you can use to do a lot of things. But I bet you didn't know that ChatGPT has some superpowers that requires a certain command prompt to activate the God mode in ChatGPT, which is why I'm doing this video to share with you those command prompts that can activate the God mode in ChatGPT. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, let's dive in. So for the first command prompt, let's say you're writing an article on affiliate marketing and you want something very unique to you and you don't want just a generic answer. So all you have to do is to come over here and simply type this command prompt. Tell me something new that many people don't know about dash dash dash. Now you can now fill in whatever it is you want it to tell you something about. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using affiliate marketing. Tell me something new that many people don't know about affiliate marketing. Now it has written a unique information about affiliate marketing. So all you have to do is to simply copy this and mix it up with this article that she wrote for you, and you're going to have something that is 100% unique to you. And that brings us to the next command prompt, which is generate a unique whatever. So you use the command prompt, generate a unique, it could now be anything, a unique article, a unique poem, a unique script, a unique hook, a unique description, a unique ad copy, could be a unique anything. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be using affiliate marketing. So as you can see here, I wrote generate a unique article on affiliate marketing. So it's going to give me something that is very unique to me. Now, nobody else is going to have access to this information ever again. So I would like you to try it out, which brings me to the next command prompt. Let's say you want something long, you want a very long essay, or you want a very long article. So you're going to simply give it a command to write the number of words you want, and it's going to go ahead and write that number of words. All you have to do is to simply type this command prompt, generate 1,000 words. So if you're looking for 1,000 words, or you're looking for 2,000 words or 5,000 words, whatever you're looking for, just type those exact words that you need, and then ChatGPT is going to write those number of words for you. So now it has generated 1,000 words on affiliate marketing for us. But let's say you want more, you want it to write more on that particular topic. Another way of achieving this same result is by using the command prompt expand more on this. So it's going to take its time and write more about that particular topic as a continuation of the previous article, as you can see right now on your screen. So another amazing command prompt is please write in the tone of. So in the tone of could be anybody. So it could be in the tone of Obama, in the tone of Bill Gates, in the tone of Elon Musk. So now we can say please write in the tone of Obama. So now it's writing in the tone of President Obama. How cool is this? So another tone command prompt is write in a funny, chatty way. So it could be anything. Write in a sad tone, or write in a happy tone, or write in an excited tone, or write in a funny, chatty way. So you just have to use this command prompt to get a type of tone that you want for the particular article or for the particular script or anything that you want ChatGPT to write for you. So another amazing command prompt that you can use to activate ChatGPT God mode is simply using generate a plagiarism-free affiliate marketing article. So plagiarism-free script, plagiarism-free article, or anything that you want to write about, and it's going to do just that for you. How cool is that? So use all this command prompt to activate the God mode in ChatGPT. And talking about ChatGPT, I recommend that you watch this video to learn 3 ways you can make money with ChatGPT. But if you have seen this video, I also recommend that you watch this video next to learn more ways to make money online. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on either side. And a happy new year to you and yours.